With regards to dental fillings, a lot of people are concerned about the price of this popular dental procedure. Fillings in the mouth are used to treat tooth decay as well as prevent the development of further decay. The price of the dental filling may vary in relation to several aspects, including the filling material employed and the place at the dental clinic and the level of complexity involved in the procedure. In this clip, we'll explore the different kinds of dental fillings and then look at the elements that impact the cost of a dental procedure. Types of dental fillings. There are many types of dental materials that are utilized to fill dental cavities. Some of the most popular types are amalgam fillings and composite fillings, as well as the gold fillings and ceramic fillings. Each filling material offers its own pros and drawbacks. Likewise, the costs can be different based upon the choice of materials. Amalgam fillings can be the lowest priced filling materials. The fillings comprise mixtures of mercury, silver, copper, and tin. They are, however, durable and durable. A few patients may be worried concerning the presence of mercury in the fillings. Composite fillings are an amalgamation of resin and quartz videos or glass. The fillings are tooth-colored and match the natural shade of the teeth. The cost of composite fillings is higher than amalgam fillings, however they're also aesthetically attractive. Gold fillings are the combination of copper, gold along with different metals. The fillings are exceptionally sturdy and will last long periods of time. Fillings made of gold are the most expensive filling material but can last for quite a long time. Fillings with ceramics are constructed of ceramic and can also be colored tooth-colored. The fillings are strong and are able to match the natural shade of the teeth. Ceramic fillings can be more costly than composite ones, however they're also very aesthetic attractive. Factors affecting the cost of dental fillings. A variety of factors influence the cost for a dental filling. The area of the dentist's workplace is a factor in how much the procedure will cost. Dentists located in metropolitan areas or in high cost of living regions can charge higher fees to fillings with dental material than dentists working in rural locations. The difficulty of the procedure may also influence the cost for a dental filling. For more complex dental cavities, it may take greater time and resources to be repaired, thereby increasing costs for the treatment. In certain instances, additional procedures, such as dental crowns and root canals, might be needed to treat cavities, and this may also influence the overall expense. Insurance coverage also influences the price for a dental filling. Certain dental insurance plans could provide reimbursement for fillings in the dental area, whereas others will only cover a part of the costs. Patients need to inquire with their insurance provider to see what's covered by their policy and the out-of-pocket costs they might be responsible for. It's important to keep in mind that the price for dental fillings may vary dramatically based on the elements discussed above. Patients are advised to consult with their dentist for advice on which type of filling material that will meet their needs, as well as to talk about the expense associated with the treatment. In the end, the price for a dental filling may depend on various variables, like the type of filling material utilized, as well as the location at the dental clinic and the level of complexity involved in the procedure. Patients are advised to consult their dentist in order to identify which type of filling material that will meet their needs, as well as to talk about the expense for the procedure. Dental fillings are crucial for protecting your oral health as well as preventing future decay. It is crucial to fix the cavities immediately to prevent lengthy dental treatments to come in the near future.